Today we're gonna hike to Robertson Falls, kind of near Missachi Lake area. Yeah, I'm really excited about hiking in the rain.
I'm excited for the falls. Carter mentioned this hike to me like a couple hours ago. Not really sure what to expect. Seems like it'll be pretty easy going, and somehow he roped me into driving. So here we are.
So this just in, the rain has turned to hail.
Well, I mean, the thing with how loud the rain is and stuff, bears aren't gonna hear us coming until we're like right on them, so that could get interesting.
So we're just sitting here. We're gonna see if we can wait out the rain a bit, because we have this wide open section coming up. Well, we're at a bit of a loss right now because we've crossed the river. Now we don't really know where we're headed because we can't find a trail, a proper trail, to get down to the base of the falls. That's where we just were. That's the base of the falls down there. And I don't know how we get down there. I think we found the trail down.
Yeah. I mean, there's a flag even. So.
Those are our falls, Robertson Falls. Yeah, we made it. We finally found our route. It is possible to get down here. Time to head back, I think. Oh, we're at the end of our journey. It's now really sunny. It didn't disappoint. Those were some really nice balls. I think we're gonna have to come back here in the summer.
Yeah.
Go for a swim.
Location anonymous.
Yeah, for now.